Hi guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can replace the Google phone dialer. So the usual problem we all face with the Google phone dialer is that whenever you use the call recording feature with this application, the other user on the other side gets a notification that you have started the call recording. Not only this, even when you stop the call recording, it has a loud notification that enables the other user to understand that you have stopped the call recording. So it is a very annoying issue, and if you are someone like me who uses a MIUI phone, you realize that you don't have the option to replace the Google phone dialer with the MIUI dialer. As you can see, I'm using a Mi 11X. But if you are a OnePlus user or a Oppo user, you have the option to replace it with the stock company dialer where you can record calls without the notification. So to solve this issue, we have a free application today, and the name of the application is called as TruePhone. The link for this application is available in the description below. It's a free to use application. So once you install the application, go ahead and open up the application, and we will directly open up the settings of the application. So once you go into settings of this application, you need to scroll down a bit, or you can see it says incoming outgoing calls right on the screen. So once you click on that, you need to scroll down then, and then you will have the option of call recording, as you can see right on the screen, call recording. So once you tap on it, you can of course enable and disable the call recording feature, and also you have a couple of extra settings. You also have the option of auto call recording, and the best part of this application is that when you start the call recording, there is no notification, so you can secretly record calls with the help of this application. That will definitely serve the purpose for you, unlike the Google dialer. And not only on MIUI, this application will work on any Android phone. As you can see, we have the record option. So once you click on it, it will start recording, and all the recordings are saved in the file manager application. From there you can also listen to what has been recorded, and you can also share the same file which has been the mp3 file which has been recorded with the help of this application. So yes, you can record, you can listen, and you can share your call recording. You also have some other good features, like you can change the incoming call screen, like you can have the iPhone screen, or you can have the SS screen, or you can have the stock Google theme for the incoming calls. Once again, it's a very nice and handy application. It's completely free to download and free to use. The link for this TruePhone application is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Have a great